Alright, you guys, so we have a FARO Orbis right here. Let's see what's in the actual package. Okay, this is what a brand new instrument kind of setup looks like right now. So we have a couple of battery instruction leaflets over here. Battery, another battery thing, another battery charger, your quick reference guide, I would imagine. Not just the reference guide, but I guess how to. Cool, okay. Your factory information. So that's your calibration information. Let's see. All right, so what do we have here? The scanner itself looks like this. Cool to see that it fits without having to disassemble it, so that's awesome. Next, let's see, here's the actual data logger with the battery attached already. So there's a battery that's referenced in the leaflets over here. All right, there we go. We have a shoulder strap and then some mounting hardware. Oh, that's for the monopod, I would imagine. All right. Okay, here we go. So the Orbis can be attached to rather than this handle, you can actually attach the Orbis to either a tripod or a monopod that it usually comes with. Cool. There we go. What do we have here? Oh, that's the phone mount. So this is the phone mount that goes on the back of it. Here we go. Relatively simple as far as cabling. There we go. Let's pull it out. So your USB transfer drive and network cable, a car charger for it, and the charger itself. Obviously, this is the charger to charge the battery that is already sitting on the scanner itself here. All right, I don't need to unpack this yet. Here's the charger with the wrong style plug for the US, but there we go. There's a USB charger apparently. So let's see this. There's a couple. Oh, here we go. Here are the prongs for the charger for the United States here. Oh, the universal mount that actually is apparently supposed to be attached to your phone, that then locks your phone to this adapter that goes on the back. Okay. That's it. I don't think there's anything else. The actual cable, that is the data, and power cable that's attached to the scanner itself, and then the data logger here. That's the whole package here. So quite a few pieces, but luckily not that much stuff that you can get wrong when you're playing with this thing and assembling it. We'll make an assembly video after this, but that's it for the unboxing of the Orbis.